Starting in June 2025, disposables disappear from shelves. If you vape, you'll need to switch to a reusable kit. Don't worry, it's easy and I'll walk you through every step. What makes a kit reusable? To call a vape kit reusable, it must recharge either a built-in battery with a charging port or removable cells so you can top up, replace the coil, that's the part that heats up the liquid and wears out, refill, swap pre-filled pods or pour in e-liquid yourself. There are two main styles of reusable kits. Pre-filled pod kits. Pre-filled pod kits are a great choice if you don't want too many changes to the way that you vape. They're nearly identical to disposables in form, function, and require the least amount of maintenance. Plus, they're up to 49% cheaper. Here's how they work. You have a device with a rechargeable battery. You slot in a 2ml closed pod that is pre-filled with nicotine-containing vape liquid, and inhale on it to activate. For example, the Elf Bar 600 pre-filled pod kit looks and feels just like the disposable version. It packs a 500 mAh USB Type-C rechargeable battery, which is fully charged in just under 30 minutes. The LED at the base shows vaping and charging status. Or the Snow Plus Swift. It's got one 2ml pod plus a 10ml refill tank, which can offer up to 6,000 puffs. All you lose is waste, everything else stays the same. Refillable pod kits. For more flavour and nicotine control, refillable pods are your best bet. Here's how they work. Use an empty 2ml pod with a built-in or removable coil. Fill it with your favourite e-liquid, nic salts or 50/50 short fill. Wait 5 minutes for the coil to saturate, which is called priming. Insert the pod and puff to vape. E-liquid tips. Use nicotine salts offered in 5 to 20 mg strengths for that strong disposable style hit. Short fills, which have a 0 mg base, you can add your own nic shot to. They're great for low strengths like 3 to 6 mg and they give massive puff counts. The coil resistance and airflow. Pre-filled pod kits use coils with 1.2 ohm resistance. This provides a tight mouth-to-lung or MTL draw and produces a small amount of vapour akin to smoking a cigarette. Refillable vape kits often start at 0.6 or 0.8 ohm, which provides more flavour and greater vapour production. These types of coils use a restricted direct-to-lung or RDL method of vaping, which is slightly more airy than a standard MTL vape and allows you to inhale more vapour directly into your lungs if you wish. Lower resistance equals more vapour and more airflow. Higher resistance means a tighter draw closer to disposables. Most beginner vapes auto set the wattage for you. If the kit lets you adjust the wattage yourself, make sure to match the coil's rated wattage, which is printed on the coil or pod. Here's some helpful tips to ensure you have a smooth experience. Do fill only to the line, do not overfill. Do wait between puffs to avoid overheating. Don't chain vape or you'll risk leaks. Pods typically last between 1 to 2 weeks. When you taste a burnt hit, see darker juice, or less vapour, switch to a fresh pod. A new pack contains 3 to 5 pods and should last you about a month. And that's your quick guide to reusable vapes. They're simple, cost-effective, and better for the planet. For more detail, check out our companion guide or chat with our experts. Don't wait, find your perfect kit today.